Three friends went camping in Yellowstone National Park and were never seen again. Their tents were untouched. Their food was still cooking. Their wallets left behind. But they were gone. No bodies, no tracks, no answers. Just an empty campsite, frozen in time. This isn't a legend. This isn't a movie. This happened in 1983. Eric, Lisa, and Mark set out for a peaceful getaway near the Shoshone River. They packed everything they needed. They were experienced. They told their families they'd be back in 3 days. But when park rangers found their camp, it was like they disappeared mid-breakfast. The tents were still zipped. The sleeping bags were open. Plates set out, eggs still in the pan, and not a single footprint leading away. Helicopters swept the skies. Dogs searched the dirt. Hundreds of volunteers combed the forest for 2 weeks. No clues, no trace, just silence. So what happened? Wild animal attack? No signs of struggle? Got lost and froze? Their jackets and boots were still at the camp. Kidnapped? No tire tracks, no broken gear. Some locals say the woods in that area are different, that there are places in Yellowstone where people walk in and simply don't walk out. Even today, the mystery remains unsolved. A torn shirt and shoelace turned up years later, but DNA was never confirmed. Imagine sitting down for breakfast and never finishing it. Imagine being swallowed by the forest without a sound. What really happened to the Yellowstone campers? If this mystery gave you chills, hit like, comment, and subscribe. More real unsolved stories coming soon.